Hello students, welcome back to class. This is exercise 8.2. In last video we already discussed three questions of this exercise. Today fourth question we are going to start. Obtain the volume of rectangular boxes with the following length, breadth and height respectively. Chapter is chapter number 8, Algebraic Expression and Identity. Let us see what is question number 4th. Obtain the volume of rectangular box with the following length, breadth and height respectively. This is length, one is breadth and one is height. So we have to find out its volume. You will write length of a rectangular box is 5a, breadth of a rectangular box is 3a square. Height of rectangular box is 7a raised to power 4. So what is volume of rectangular box? This rectangular box is in the shape of cuboid. So what is volume of cuboid? Length into breadth into height. So its volume will be volume of a rectangular box will be length into breadth into height. So what is length? 5a into 3a square into 7a raised to power 4. So multiply these coefficient. 5 3s are 15, 15 7s are 105. A raised to power 1, a raised to power 2 and a raised to power 4. So if base are same in multiplication, these power will add. So 4 plus 2 6 plus 1 7, a raised to power 7. 105, a raised to power 7 is your answer. What is second part? Now this all thing you have to write for second part also. I'm finding volume. What will be volume? This will be 2p into 4q into 8r. So 4 2s are 8, 8, 8, 64 PQR. This will be answer of second part. Similarly, third part. What will be volume? Volume will be xy into 2x square y into 2xy square. Base same power will add x raised to power 1, x raised to power 2 and x raised to power 1. So x raised to power 4, this 2 into 2, 4 and y raised to power 1, there also y raised to power 1 and there y raised to power 2, so y raised to power 4. What is volume? With this dimension xy, 2x square y and 2xy square will be 4x raised to power 4 and y raised to power 4. This will be volume. Last part, in last part also you will write length is a, breadth is 2b, height is 3c and now volume will be L into B into H. So it will be 6ABC. This will be volume for fourth part. Question number 4 is completed. What is question number 5? Obtain the product. We need to find out product of these monomials. So first part xy product, then I will use this multiplication sign yz into z and x. So in multiplication what we have to do, we will see if these bases are same, so their power will add. So x is one time there and one time there, so it will be x raised to power 2. Y is also 2 times, so y raised to power 2 and z is also 2 times, so z raised to power 2. This is product of xy, yz and zx. What is second part? Second part is a multiplied by minus a raised to power 2 and a raised to power 2, a raised to power 2, and multiplied with a raised to power 3. These three terms we have to multiply. Let us see. These all three terms contain base a. So, and this minus will be as it is. Now a raised to power 1 plus 2 plus 3. This same power will add using laws of exponent. If a raised to power m into a raised to power n, then a raised to power m plus n. Now minus as it is this a raised to power 5 and 1 6 minus a raised to power 6 is your answer. Let us see what is third part. Third part is we have to find out product of 2 into 4y into 8y square into 16 y raised to power 3. It will be multiply 2 fours are 8 into 8 into 16 and y raised to power 1 plus 2 plus 3, it is 6. So this you have to multiply. After multiplication you will get your answer. This is your product of given number. Now fourth part. What is fourth part? A multiplied by 2b multiplied by 3c multiplied by 6abc. This product we have to find out. So first of all multiply this coefficient. 18 6 3s are 18, 18 2s are 36. A is 2 times, so a raised to power 2. B is also 2 times, b raised to power 2. C is also 2 times, so c raised to power 2. This will be your product of these given polynomials. What is fifth part? In fifth part, we have to multiply this m with minus mn and mnp. These three terms we have to find out. We have to multiply. So m is multiply 1, 2 and 3 times. So it will be, this minus will be as it is, out of bracket m raised to power 3, n is multiplied 2 times, n raised to power 2 and the single p is there. So it will be in multiplication as it is. So in this way you got product of given terms. How many times that terms is multiplied, you have to write that in power, like m is multiplied 3 times, so you will write m raised to power 3. Reason is base same power will add. We are using this law of exponent. Question number 5 is completed. Now let us see what is example number 5. Example number 5, our exercise 8.2 is completed. Now these are examples of 8.3. Simplify the expressions and evaluate them as directed. First of all, we need to simplify, and after that we have to find out its value at x is equals to 1. So there are two questions. First of all, simplification. Let us see. X into x minus 3 plus 2. Simplification meaning is this x I have to multiply with x and then with 3. We need to simplify. Same term I will write together and unlike term I will write at last. It will be x square minus 3x plus 2. So this is simplified form of given expression. Now put x is equals to 1. Say this is equation number 1 in equation number 1. So in simplified expression you have to put value, not in your statement. Although in both cases you are going to get same answer, but they said first simplify and then find out its value at x is equals to 1. So you simplified this one. Now you are going to put this x is equals to 1 in same expression. It will be 1 raised to power 2 minus 3 into 1 plus 2. So it will be 1 minus 3 plus 2. Answer is 1 plus 2, 3 minus 3. Answer is 0. This is 0. 3 minus 3 will be 0. Question example number 5 is completed. Now example number 5, second part. Simplify and find its value when y equals to minus 2. Let us simplify. 3y into 2y minus 7 minus 3y minus 4 minus 63. So let us simplify, multiply this 3y with 2y and then with 7. This 3 with y and then with 4. So it will be 6y square minus 21y minus 3y minus minus plus 3 4s are 12 minus 63. So it will be 6y raised to power 2 minus 21y minus 3y, it will be minus 24y minus 63 and plus 12, it will be minus, it will be of minus 51, it will be 51. Now see, put y equals to minus 2. Say this is equation number 1. In equation 1, let us see, 6 into minus 2 raised to power 2 in your expression where you will get y. In place of y, you have to, this y you have to replace with minus 2. So minus 24 minus 2 minus 51. So it will be 6 into minus 2 raised to power 2, that is 4, minus minus plus 24 2s are 48 minus 51. It is 24, 48 minus 51 minus 3. Answer is 21. Answer is 21. So first of all, you have to simplify. After that, in simplified expression, you have to use this one value, y equals to minus 2. Means in your expression where you will get y, you will replace that y with minus 2. And then simplify, you will get your answer. Second part is also completed. Next, example number 6. Now we have to add these algebraic expression. Before adding or subtracting, we should keep in mind like terms can be added or subtracted. Like terms can be added or subtracted. Let us see. Keeping this point in mind, let us solve this one. This 5m, first of all, I want to simplify. This 5m, I want to multiply with this bracket 3 minus m, and so we have to add, so put addition sign, 6m square minus 13m. It will be 15m minus 5m square plus 6m square minus 13m. Now like terms are added to like. Let us write like term together. This is 15m and this is minus 13m. These both terms are like term. And these two terms are like term, minus 5m square plus 6m square. Now simplify. 15m minus 13m will be 2m, and minus 5m square plus 6m square will be m square. And in standard form you want to write, then it will be m square plus 2m. This is your answer. Example number 6, first part. Let us see what is second part. This expression and this expression we have to add. So first of all, I'm going to simplify. I'm going to multiply this 4y with 3y square plus 5y minus 7. I have to add these two expressions. So I will put plus sign between them. Y cube minus 4y square plus 5. Now multiply this 4y with 3y square. It will be 12y raised to power 3 plus 20y raised to power 2 minus 28 plus. Next will be 2y cube minus 8y square plus 10. Now which terms are like term? Write them together. This term is y raised to power 3. This term also y raised to power 3. These two terms are like terms. So I will write them together. Plus 20y square, then minus 8y square. Next is minus 28 plus 10. 12y cube plus 2y cube. It will be 14y raised to power 3. 20y square minus 8y square will be plus 12y square. Minus 28 plus 10 will be minus 18. This is your answer of second part. Let us see. Next example number 7. Subtract 3pq into p minus q from this expression. We have to subtract this expression from this expression. So, solution starts from here. This is 2pq and p plus q. From this expression, I have to subtract 3pq into p minus q. This one expression I have to subtract. Before subtracting, I want to simplify. Let us simplify. Multiply this 2pq first with p and then with q. It will be 2p square q plus 2p q square minus 3p square q plus 3p q square. 3p q square. Now 2p square q. This term and this term both are same. So I will write them together. It will be 2p square q minus 3p square q plus 2p q square plus 3p q square. 2p square q minus 3p square q. It will be minus p square q. It will be minus p square q. And 2p q square plus 3p q square will be 5p q square. This is your answer. Subtraction of these two expression. Example number 7 is also completed. Now, next exercise we are going to start in next video. Thank you.